Hi. This is Home's Guide. Hey there. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your swimming pool instead of enjoying it? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best swimming pool robot cleaners that will revolutionize your pool maintenance routine. These advanced robots are designed to scrub, vacuum, and filter your pool effortlessly, leaving it sparkling clean without you lifting a finger. Whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool, these cleaners are equipped with cutting-edge technology to tackle dirt, debris, and even algae, ensuring crystal clear water all season long. Join me as we explore their features, performance, and why they're the must-have gadgets for any pool owner. Want to simplify your pool cleaning? So check the link in the description below for more details and the latest deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking the best swimming pool robot cleaner. With its wall scrubbing power, this innovative cleaner ensures your pool walls are thoroughly cleaned, regardless of the surface type. While it doesn't clean the waterline, its efficiency in climbing and scrubbing walls makes it stand out. The active scrubbing brush is a game changer, taking the hassle out of pool maintenance by eliminating the need for manual scrubbing. This brush is gentle on your pool surfaces yet tough on debris, guaranteeing a pristine and inviting swimming environment. One of the most user-friendly features of the Dolphin Nautilus CC is its top-load filter basket. This makes it incredibly easy to maintain a clear pool as you can effortlessly remove and clean out debris, ensuring crystal clear water. This enhances the swimming experience by providing a consistently clean and clear pool. The plug-and-play efficiency of this robotic cleaner is another highlight. With its simple setup, you just need to plug it in, drop it into the pool, and power it on. In just 2 hours, you'll have a spotless pool, which significantly reduces the time and effort typically required for pool cleaning. The Dolphin Nautilus CC brings over 40 years of the Dolphin brand's legacy of effortless cleaning, offering unmatched performance, durability, and cost savings. This product is designed to make pool ownership a pleasure, allowing you to enjoy your pool without the hassle of constant maintenance. Ideal for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 33 feet in length, the Dolphin Nautilus CC ensures that your pool is always ready for a refreshing swim. Number 2. Bettera solar-powered automatic robotic pool skimmer cleaner is a top-tier option for anyone seeking the best swimming pool robot cleaner. This innovative device utilizes 100% solar power to efficiently and continually clean the surface of the water, eliminating debris such as animal hairs, leaves, dust, pollen, and dead insects. Its cutting-edge aqua dynamics design ensures remarkable efficiency, allowing for continuous cleaning for 30 hours or more on a single full charge. Even on rainy or cloudy days, the Bettera remains functional, thanks to its swift recharge time of just 5 to 6 hours under direct sunlight while cleaning. Equipped with patented re-engineered twin salt chlorine tolerant (SCT) motors, it drives the propellers directly, making it more reliable, responsive, and energy efficient. This innovative technology guarantees excellent cleaning performance in both freshwater and saltwater pools. One of the standout features is its large fine mesh, 200 debris basket with a top handle, simplifying the cleaning process as there is no need to remove the betta from the water. Simply dock it, open the cover, and remove the basket for easy debris disposal. Additionally, the Bettera is outfitted with a special UV-resistant coating and material that protects it from damage caused by ultraviolet radiation from the sun, ensuring durability and longevity. The device is also equipped with 4 water depth bumper rods and uses ultrasonic radar to sense obstacles and reroute itself, ensuring comprehensive pool cleaning. With a 1-year warranty, the Bettera allows you to stop manually cleaning the pool and enjoy your pool without the hassle of long cables getting in the way. Note that the Bettera requires a minimum of 5 inches of water to operate and is not compatible with infinity pools. For specific pool structures or settings where the unit may get stuck, users can refer to the attention sheet and manual in the package or contact Bettera customer service, available 7 days a week. Number 3. IPERS Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to maintain a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort. With its robust suction and dynamic scrubbing abilities, this pool vacuum robot ensures your pool's floor, walls, and waterline are impeccably clean. The generously sized filter basket is adept at capturing both large debris and fine particles, ensuring crystal clear water for an unmatched pool experience. One of the standout features is the upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0, which optimizes the cleaning routes, effectively covering the entire pool while minimizing cleaning time by avoiding unnecessary overlaps. This intelligent path-following technology ensures no spot is missed. The IPERS Scuba S1 is designed for superior mobility, equipped with durable caterpillar treads that handle drains, steps, corners, and other uneven terrains with ease. These treads provide stability, prevent slipping, and ensure thorough cleaning across the entire pool. With 4 versatile cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, and wall only, you can customize the cleaning to suit your pool's specific needs. Auto mode offers comprehensive cleaning, tackling walls, water lines, and the pool floor, while eco mode provides hassle-free periodic cleaning every 48 hours for 45 minutes over a week. The other modes allow targeted cleaning, ensuring you can focus on specific areas as needed. Additionally, the Scuba S1 is cordless, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and making it easy to use and maneuver. It also comes with a 2-year product protection plan, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your investment. Ideal for in-ground pools up to 1,600 square feet, the IPERS Scuba S1 is a top contender for the best swimming pool robot cleaner, combining efficiency, convenience, and advanced technology for unparalleled pool maintenance. Number 4. Vpool Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a standout in the market of pool maintenance tools, designed to make pool cleaning a breeze. This cordless robotic pool cleaner eliminates the hassle of tangled cords and the risk of power shortouts, thanks to its wireless control system. The Vpool Orca autonomously navigates your pool, allowing you to focus on more enjoyable activities while it takes care of the cleaning. One of its key features is the advanced navigation and self-parking technology. This ensures the cleaner effortlessly rebounds off obstacles or pool walls, guaranteeing uninterrupted cleaning sessions. When the battery runs low or cleaning is complete, it conveniently stops near the pool's edge, making retrieval easy with the included hook. Charging this robotic pool vacuum is quick and efficient, with a full charge taking just 2.5 hours and providing over 90 minutes of continuous cleaning power. It's ideally suited for flat, above-ground pools, as well as in-ground pools without slopes or steps, covering a maximum area of 860 square feet, 80 square meters. The Vpool vacuum is designed for effortless operation, featuring a one-touch start mechanism. Simply press a button and submerge the cleaner to initiate the automatic cleaning process. Additionally, it's engineered to automatically power off within 5 seconds of being lifted from the water, ensuring safety and convenience. Cleaning power is robust, driven by dual motors that ensure efficient debris removal. The LED indicator enhances user experience by providing clear operational status updates. Overall, the Vpool Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, easy-to-use, and efficient pool cleaning solution, earning its place as one of the best swimming pool robot cleaners available. Number 5. Smet Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot is an exceptional choice for pool owners looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. With its robust 180W powerful suction, this advanced robotic pool cleaner stands out in the market. The triple motor system provides an impressive suction power capable of filtering 80 gallons of water per minute, ensuring that debris, sand, dirt, and leaves are effectively removed. This makes it one of the best cordless above-ground pool vacuums, suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools. The vacuum's battery life is another highlight, offering a long runtime that enables thorough cleaning sessions. The rechargeable battery charges fully in just 2.5 hours, allowing for quick turnaround and consistent performance. One of the standout features of the Smet Pool Vacuum Robot is its Smart SonarNav Pro navigation technology. This advanced system ensures that the cleaner systematically covers the entire pool, including the floor, walls, and water line, leaving no area untouched. Designed for pools up to 2,000 square feet, it guarantees an efficient and comprehensive cleaning experience. The versatility of the Smet Pool Robot Cleaner is further enhanced by its various cleaning settings, which allow it to tackle different surfaces such as pool floors, walls, water lines, and steps with ease. This makes pool maintenance hassle-free and convenient, especially with its cordless operation that eliminates the need for tangled cords. User-friendliness is another key aspect of the Smet Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot. Equipped with LED indicators and a self-parking function, it provides effortless operation and maintenance. The LED indicators keep users informed about the cleaner's status, while the self-parking feature ensures that the vacuum docks itself when not in use. This thoughtful design makes it incredibly easy to use, allowing pool owners to enjoy a clean pool without the manual effort. Overall, the Smet cordless pool vacuum robot combines powerful suction, advanced navigation, versatile cleaning settings, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a top-performing pool cleaner. In conclusion, choosing the best swimming pool robot cleaner can transform your pool maintenance experience. Whether you prioritize efficiency, advanced features, or ease of use, there's a model out there to suit your needs. Remember, investing in a quality cleaner not only saves you time and effort but also ensures a cleaner, healthier pool for you and your family to enjoy. We've covered top-rated options that stand out in performance and innovation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Share this video with others who might benefit from the latest updates on pool cleaning technology. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.